Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping back by today to see what I am up to. I hope you're all doing well and having a good day. I have another box from Dossier. I believe that's how you say that. This box is exciting to me. I do receive this so kindly from the company to bring to all of you and to try myself and see what I think. I have my laptop in front of me, so I'm a little off space. Normally I bring over my little laptop stand and can have it next to me, but I wanted to give you a little bit of background information on Dossier. I have seen their commercials all over YouTube, and I'm sure you guys have too. So their website is dossier.co. I think that's it, dossier.co. And the information that I have on them, I have one little thing that I want to read from the website because I found that to be very interesting, and I don't think I saw that the last time I brought you the box in May. So I will link that video down in my description box below because that has a ton and ton of information in it, and I'll just briefly hit on some information today, not as much as I did the last time. It says, the little information packet that I received says, we, Dossier, reproduce high-end luxury scents at a fraction of the price. Hello and thank you. Perfume is outrageous expensive, and to the point where I would say most cannot afford it, or you're buying little samples. And to me, if I want a bottle of perfume, I mean, it will last for a while, but I don't want to spend $100+. I just found one that I loved from, I think it was Ralph Lauren Polo. It was like citrusy. I'm not paying that kind of price. No, I'll pass. So they reproduce it at a fraction of the price, keeping the exact same high quality by cutting the infamous brand tax. And I'll get into something else when it comes to that in a second. Their products are vegan, paraben, and cruelty free. Let me just see. There was something else I wanted to tell you. I have tons of papers, you know, they send you, which I love. They send you great information. Or the other thing that I wanted to share with you, and I will pop that up on the screen, and it will be a direct link will be in my description box. I have a discount code where that is all caps, Maureen10, and you can save yourself a little bit of money when you're ordering. Like I said, I will post the link. Of course, that's going to be my computer dinging along here. So I think that's all the information I have from my paperwork. But I wanted to, before I open the box, read this little statement from their website. It says, dare to be different. As scent enthusiasts ourselves, we know all too well the struggle of finding a high-quality perfume that's affordable. When we realized how much behind-the-scenes action goes on in the perfume industry, a light bulb went off. It was time to lift the veil on perfume creation and consumption, ushering in a new, parentheses, smarter way to shop. No more paying $100+ when the actual perfume itself only cost $2 to make. And then they, in parentheses, they say, yes, really. We aim to do this by being transparent and honest about everything that we do. From giving you all the details on the sourcing of our ingredients to being upfront about our pricing. We may be going against the grain of how traditional perfume companies operate, but hey, as savvy consumers, we know you're ready for something different from this industry. Hello, maybe some of these bigger companies, these big brands, would stop charging this outrageous amount of money. I get it if you, and it applies across the board for these big brands, from shoes to handbags to belts to perfume to clothing. It is not necessary, in my opinion. So let's get to this box right here. And it says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups right here. And they send us a little card. And this is like pre-sprayed with the perfume. So I chose Floral Pear. Let's see what it says. The top notes are pear, bergamot, watermelon, rhubarb. The middle notes are quince, rose, freesia, orange blossom. Base notes are woody notes, musk, and amber. I can smell some of the musk and maybe the bergamot that might be too much for me. I'm not sure. I just quick gave a little sniff of it. So this is inspired by Jo Malone, English Pear and Freesia Cologne. I wanted to try one of the, I wanted to get the Miss Dior, but it wasn't on my list to pick from. It says, that's pretty much it. It just tells you like a thank you, and it gives you all that information there. And then this is what I received. Now, if you order this, you will not get this little sample bottle. They don't do this anymore, but this is for people that get this in, like, in for PR. So, little sample bottle. This is Floral Pear, and it does have a little cap. And this one you can carry in your handbag. Travel with this. That's a lot of perfume. And this is what I just smelled. And I can smell a little bit of the freesia, the bergamot. I don't smell watermelon at all. I really even don't smell the pear, which is surprising because that's supposed to be a top note. I smell watermelon, a little bit of the musk and the woodsy, freesia definitely. And then this is what the bottle looks like, if I can take it out. So it's a full bottle right here. And this is magnet. It's a thick, heavy, and it's a spray. Wonderful. Look at that. Full bottle. This is, now they do give ounces. Where did I see? It's not on this. Oh, it's on the bottom. It's 50 ml, 1.7. Make sure that's up right. Good size bottle. This will last a long time. You don't need a lot of this kind of stuff. You know, I mean, a little spray. I'm not going to, I mean, some people, trust me, we've all been next to them in an elevator behind them. They take a bath in it. I just don't think, this, I can already, just having this open, I can smell it. Always wanted to try Jo Malone. Now, I wanted just to real fast give you, my mouse is not going to cooperate today, just to show you, just to tell you, like I did in the previous video, some of the brands that they, oh, let's go here. Okay. Just want to give you some, just real quick, give you some of the brands that they, you know, reproduce. So they have Victor and Rolf's Flower Bomb, Tom Ford Soleil Blanc, Tom Ford Neroli Portofino, Lancome, Le Labo, which that's a big one. Chanel's Coco, Mademoiselle, Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. I heard that smells really good. Carolina Herrera, Good Girl. Another Tom Ford Tobacco Vanilla, I think it's Le Labo. Another YSL. Dior, J'adore, Chanel, again, Jo Malone, English Pear and Freesia. That's what I have, Floral Pear. Creed. Another Sage and Sea Salt from Jo Malone. Like, I thought about that one. Chloe's Chloe. Another, some more Chanel. Juliet Has a Gun, not a perfume. Armani. Just trying to quick give you Estee Lauder, Beautiful. Clinique's Happy. That was the first one that I chose. Just to give you some idea of some of the brands that they reproduce. Let me see if there's any other brands here that I did. Dolce & Gabbana. Marc Jacobs, Perfect. Gucci, Dior, Miss Dior, the 2017 version. I want that one. Chanel No. 5. Versace, YSL Black Opium. They're just a few. And then they have women and men. I think some of the men's fragrances are pretty. You know, if you wanted to get this for your man. Tom Ford, Le Labo, Jo Malone. Let's see. Tom Ford. I don't know. Byredo's. I've never heard of that. Chanel, Dior, YSL, Creed's, Armani, Versace, Hermes. Let's see what else they have for men. Prada. Nice. Tom Ford, I think I said. It says by Killian's. I never heard that. Armani. Montblanc. Very good brand. Montblanc. Gucci. Dolce & Gabbana, Ralph Lauren, Polo Blue. And that's aromatic watermelon. I wonder, no, I don't think it was blue, the one that I liked. It was more the citrus. So these are just some of the brands that they reproduce. Now, pricing. I would say majority, and it's not all, majority are $29 for the size bottle that I received. There is one here that's $49, but that is Creed's Green Irish Tweed. I have no idea. Let me just go into the women's one instead of the men's. So some are $49. I mean, like a few, not many. As I'm scrolling down, Tom Ford's Noir is $39 for the bottle, but most of them are $29. So pick a $29 one. There's a couple $49, but not, like I said, not many whatsoever. I think on their, I'm trying to see. Yeah, 10%. Free shipping on 3+ cents. So maybe if you order 3, you can get free shipping. That you can all see on the website. Oh, I wanted to real fast click on the risk-free aspect of this company. Because they don't send them little sample spray tubes anymore, they just send the full-size bottle. If you get this, because, you know, you don't, what about if you don't know what that scent smells like? So if you get it and you don't like it, or you're like, oh, that's not quite what I thought, you like it, but like, oh, send it back. Let's see. If you order, let me see. It says, simply test out the full-size bottle. You can try each fragrance before making any commitment. Return any bottle or bottles you choose not to keep within 30 days. No questions asked. And it says, all accepted returns will receive a full refund for the purchase price. Return shipping included. Returns must be postmarked within 30 days of initial order. You know, make contact. They do have a little, like, a contact us support right on the bottom of the screen. If you're, you know, want to, like, can I exchange it instead of returning it? Maybe they don't like to do that. Maybe it's like a clean return and then just you reorder. However they work it. I don't know that aspect of it. But, so it's risk-free. So you really, for $29, I mean, I spent $29 on a BoxyCharm box that I can use them products and they'll be gone. Perfume will last, I would say, a good solid year before you would have to repurchase that one. And for purchase that particular bottle, for $29, if you like 3 and 4 or 5 perfumes, you can get them over time and have a nice collection of perfume, and you didn't break the bank. I could not get, I'm not buying a perfume that's $100. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not buying a perfume that's $50. I love a body spritz. I love a perfume. I'm a girl's girl. I want to smell pretty. I don't want to smell pretty at $100. I could put a nice scented lotion on or a body spritz that I got for $29 or $26 and still smell just as pretty. But who doesn't like a good perfume? And that is men included. Who doesn't like their man to smell good? I mean, some of those men's colognes smell good, and women, you can use them as long as they're not like truly a man's man, you know, scent, and you don't want to smell like a man, you want to smell like a woman. But you know, you walk past a man somewhere and they have a nice cologne on, my head turns. It's like, wow, that dude smells nice. Well, women like that too. So give them a look. Go over to their website and check out everything that they have. I think this is a great company to deal with, and affordable prices. And when I got the Clinique Happy, it's 100% like the Clinique Happy. Now, I've not smelled this before, but everything that they said it would smell like. My girlfriend has Jo Malone, so I'm going to ask her if this smells like her Jo Malone that she spent the money for perfume. Oreo just jumped down. She wants to go outside. So I appreciate if you go give them a look. You do get, don't forget, Maureen 10. You get a 10% discount on anything that you purchase. So use that code and use my direct link in my description box. This way I get credit if you purchase something. I do not get anything out of it. It just lets them know that I'm sending business their way so that I can continue to get this. If I can get it again, I am going to try to pick a scent. And maybe if I get an email that they're going to send me, I might put it out on my community post and put a few of the scents out there and let you guys pick the scent, and then I'll use it as a giveaway. So let's hope that they send this to me again. And that's what I'll do with the next box. I'll use it for a giveaway. Have a great day, everyone. I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.